Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Lumary Smart Floodlight RGBW, 30 watt, brightness 2400 lumen, tunable white and color ambience with 16 million colors, warm white from 2700K to cool white 6500K, with adjustable brightness, multi-scene selection and DIY scene settings. Using synchronization function, you can set schedule or timer, group control if you have more than one device, IP66 waterproof is perfect for outdoor use, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can just say turn on the light, turn off the light, adjust the brightness, change color, all that with your voice. And of course you can control this device from the Lumary app or the Smart Life app. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. It's the great outdoor lighting and the perfect decoration lighting. We can install this RGBW floodlight outdoor or indoor environments such as porch, driveway, backyard, balcony, pergola, patio, garden and more. We have two included at the box. It is the same product. And of course we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Screws for mounting at the wall. The cable. It is about 1.5 meters. Great length. It is quite heavy, definitely. But I like it. Aluminium alloy, all the construction. Glass, Lumary 30 watt IP66. Adjustable bracket. Just unscrew these two screws with Allen key and you can adjust it. From here you can screw it on the wall. The power cord, it is very thick. Good construction. I like it. It looks great. We can see at the front all the LEDs. Lumary LED Smart Floodlight is low power consumption, more than 80% energy saving to avoid unnecessary energy waste. And the LEDs, they can last about 30,000 hours, long life. Definitely you will forget to replace this floodlight. Definitely it looks great. I like this black around, this matte color. Painted at all the device. Well, let's connect it on my smartphone and see how it works. I have just plugged it in, it's flashing quickly. Smart Life app, add the device, discovering devices, add. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, next.
I found Lumary Smart Floodlight for the Smart Life skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Lumary Smart Floodlight at 2.
Thank you, Alexa. You can rename the device, of course. Let's say Smart Light. Done. Done. And there it is. You can switch it off or on. Adjusting the brightness, instant response from 1%. Slide with your finger, goes at the colors, choose your favorite color. Wow, it's beautiful. I like RGBW. And of course, again, you can adjust on the brightness. We have some favorite colors here. You can add another. It is your choice. Let's go at the scenes. Night. Read. Working. Laser, soft, colorful, and of course you can edit, You can delete a color, add the new color, choose a white color to add. Scene, you can rename the scene. Color flash mode, static, flash, breathe. It is your choice. Color flash speed, you can adjust. And save by going back. Confirm. And we can see it's changing colors. Wow, it's so beautiful. Dazzling, gorgeous, and other recommended. There are so many. I'm sure you will find the correct scene that you love the most. You can create your own scene. Christmas, Halloween, there are so many. Going back, you can even adjust them from here. Switch off, switch on. You can go at the music. Let's play music. Start. And it's changing with the rhythm of the music. Cell phone microphone realizes light rhythm based on a detected music. Wow! Can you imagine? Do a party at your home and it will change the colors with the rhythm of the music. So beautiful. I like it. Dimmer again. Colors, my favorite color. Let's go add the settings, plan, add a plan, random timing. You can choose start time, end time, choose the days of the week, customize, color or white, choose the color, the saturation, brightness, and save. Settings again, schedule, add the schedule, hour, minute, the days of the week. You can tag something, get notification, choose on or off, confirm and save. Settings again, timer, you can adjust the hour, the minute and confirm. Conflict with the following schedule tasks, OK. Biorhythm, on, you can choose the days of the week, wake, sunlight, comfortable, night light. You can add a new, adjust the hour and the minute, the brightness again, you can choose the icon, and of course you can adjust and the night light and the comfortable, sunlight or wake. Settings again, power on behavior, do not disturb, initial mode, default color and brightness, restore memory, customize, and again you can adjust the brightness. So many settings. I like when a product gives you so many settings to adjust to your needs. And here are the settings. You can rename the device, device information, tap to run an automation, share device, create a group if you have more than one device, check for firmware updates, and of course you can control and from Alexa turn off a smart light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on smart light.
Okay.
Alexa, change color to red on smart light.
Okay.
Okay, Google, turn off smart light. Nice. Okay, Google, turn on smart light.
Sure, turning on the smart light.
Okay, Google, change color to blue on smart light.
Got it. Changing the smart light to blue.
Thank you.
Just doing my job.
Okay, Google, dim to 50% smart light.
Okay, setting the smart light brightness to 50%.
Okay, Google, dim smart light to 100%.
Sure, dimming the smart light by 100%.
Dim smart light at 100%.
Got it. Setting the smart light brightness to 100%.
And I like on the app we can see we have instant results. Nice. Alexa, dim smart light to 30%.
Okay.
What else you can ask from a floodlight? So many places to install this. Christmas is on the way and I think is a great solution to light up your garden. Buy more than one and embrace the Christmas mood. Or do a party and celebrate. If you want to find out more about this product, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. And without saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.